So I was going through some things, and guess what I found? This dress that I've had for as long as I can remember. So quick question, how old do you think this dress is? Type in this comment section below, let me know if you happen to get the age right, or maybe if you are close, like super close, you can challenge me to do anything you want. Like, I'll do it. I'm up for a challenge, looking for a challenge. Get the age of this dress right, and I'll do it for you. Okay, so this dress, the toe part, it was shared, but the sharing thread now is super loose because the dress is old. And I'm just going to revamp this toe part, get my sharing thread, share it. I might have to open a seam here so that I adjust all this loose fabric, make sure that it's tight at the top, maintain this flowiness at the bottom, and rock this dress for as long as I can possibly. Because I mean, dress is gorgeous. She beautiful. She's beautiful like that. So let me just get this sharing going on. It won't take a minute, and I'll be back to show you the results. Okay, stay tuned. So I've just marked like 3.5 centimeters from the seams of this dress because I want to adjust it. And so I'll create a new seam line. Like if you look here, I'm going to create a new seam line. Then I'm just going to take my elastic thread and head over to the sewing machine, and hopefully this dress turns out okay because I have plans for it.